Happy 2024 and beyond. Let's dive right in. A vision board is a wonderful tool to gain clarity, to get your goals front and centered in your life so you can focus on it every single day. The main problem with the vision board is most people put a goal that's unattainable, that is beyond your belief, that feels unreachable, and so far into the future, you cannot even feel it right here, right now. And that's why I've been using an emotional board. Emotional board pictures, images that you can relate to right here, right now, that elicits emotional response every time you look at it. For example, a lot of people put like $1 million as a goal, and it can feel so far away, unattainable, and there's no emotional reaction. The emotional reaction is sometimes the opposite. You feel separate from that reality. And so every time you see it, you get your mind dreaming big, but then you look at reality and you're like, it's not a match. It works kind of against you, is what I'm trying to say. So instead of putting the image of $1 million or more, put an image that elicits a feeling of that same concept or vibration that you want to attract. But if you are a millionaire or someone who's close to that number in real life, then you can select an image for yourself that will elicit something that makes you feel like it's a $10 million payday. That's the idea, is you want to attach an emotion to your goal. Remember, the feeling is the vibration. The second powerful reason to use an emotional board is that you want to internalize your external goal. The idea here is not to eliminate the external goal. You already have the goal, you already want it, right? The idea here is to internalize it, to make it feel possible. The key is opening the door to possibilities, and that's what an emotional board would do for you. So you still want to have external goals, you want to write them down, you want to have a sense of direction where you're going in life, right? And that gives you clarity. However, an emotional board will give you the fuel, the power, the inspiration every single day when you look at it and you ponder it. And it's going to inspire you to take the necessary action steps every single day towards that end goal. And the third most powerful reason to have an emotional board, whenever you find yourself in a contrast of life, when things get really tough or challenging, you have a power station, a place to look at, to just get you right out of that rut and get you feeling those high elevating emotions, which are gonna raise your vibration. Emotions are energy in motion. What ends up happening to most people, especially when they create by default, as Abraham Hicks talked about, is that when you rely too much on your lower emotions, as in anger, feeling like you want a revenge, you want that revenge body, these lower states of consciousness, they help you to get out of the lower emotions of sadness and despair, right? They're very, very powerful. If you're in that state, you want to feel anger, you want to feel revenge. It feels better. It's a relief from sadness and all the other emotions. But they're not sustainable, meaning that they're not going to get you to a very happy place. So if you only crave from the lower emotions, you are cutting yourself short from the source within you. Your source energy, your higher self, your inner being, exists on the highest of highest emotions of love, empowerment, peace, and joy. And the more you can sustain these elevated emotions, the more you are in vibrational harmony with everything that you want. And in that sense, you don't have to do that much. You don't have to take so much actions because you're relying on that energy to do the heavy lifting for you. So that's the idea here, is that you want to tap into those high source energy emotions, right? That's going to elevate your life, elevate your entire existence to joyful, better feeling, new place right here, right now. And my last tip here is to find images on Google that symbolize, that represents what you want to create. So for example, let's say you want to open up more your psychic abilities. Find an image of the chakras, a very nice, clear, open chakras, right? Or if you are a third eye that's fully open. If you want to create money, find a Google image that represents that for you. For someone else, it could be an image of dollar signs, or money falling from a tree, or money growing from a tree. A symbol to represent abundance. So go ahead and search for images that make you feel wealthy, make you feel like, wow, I made it. You know, it's that feeling of success. It can be a word, success as well, or abundance. So something that kind of reminds you of the emotions that you want to feel. The whole general idea is to do what everyone here says, to go general. Go very general. Don't be so specific. Going general really works well when you're too close to the project or whatever it is that you're trying to manifest. At the end of the day, the emotional board helps you to create an emotional atmosphere to begin allowing all the specifics that you want in your life to manifest in the best and highest way possible. And if you enjoyed and found any value out of this video, please comment down below what emotions will you be focusing on in order to create your best life in 2024. With that said, please like and subscribe, and I'll see you in this next video. All my love to you. Happy 2024.